Businesses operate in an increasingly competitive environment, and it's more imperative now than ever that employees are able to perform tasks efficiently, consistently, and to a high quality. Taking staff away from their desks and into a classroom for training is valuable, but often time-consuming. Vimago from Acima allows you to create a synopsis of a business-critical process and push this directly to your user within the relevant task. Staff can be guided through each step, changes to processes or best practice can be highlighted, complicated tasks explained, and process steps refined. Synopses are stored in the cloud and can either be located manually through the search facility by searching with a relevant term, or they can be presented to the user in context on an appropriate screen. The synopsis contains the data input and user actions required to carry out a particular task. It floats above the target application and can be repositioned by the user as required. A small tooltip indicates the next action to be performed. This can be shown or turned off according to user preference. The synopsis synchronizes with the screen being viewed in the target application. In this example, additional information has also been given to the user at appropriate points using eNotes to supplement the process guidance. The user is able to view where they are in a process at any point, giving context to their next step. And they can also manually browse the steps at any stage to review or preview the overall process. The synopsis is created from within the application using the Vimago plugin. An empty container is created to hold the actions. The name is generated automatically, based on the section of the application, and this can be edited as required. The black background indicates it's in development and not viewable by a wider audience. The recording is started by pressing the Record button. The content developer then works their way through the process in the live application. As each action is recognized, the synopsis placeholder updates to show a screenshot of the screens and automatically generates text relating to the action performed. The action text is automatically generated, but can also be edited during or after the recording using the HTML editor provided. This enables you to give more information to the end user or to anonymize the data to be entered. Clicking the Anonymize button will automatically anonymize the data entered in subsequent steps as they are recorded, allowing your synopsis to be used in a wider range of situations. Once the last action is performed, the recording can be stopped. Tooltips appear on the screen as they would if the synopsis were live, but it remains black to show it is not yet visible. The source for the synopsis can be found and edited at any point by searching in the workspace. Further edits can be made to the text where required to give more explanation, highlight different options, or to generally enhance the look and feel. Feedback from the review stage may require new steps to be recorded in the middle of a synopsis, before or after a selected step. This may be so that the process can be expanded, or so that missteps can be added within the process flow. In this case, replacing direct data entry with a match code search. In order for the synopsis to be pushed to the relevant user groups, it must be published into an active EPSS session. This can be done from within the application or via the main platform. The published synopsis can be found at any point by searching the library. It now appears in green to show that it's live and automatically synchronizes to the current screen. Vimago's cloud-based platform enables users to contribute, collaborate and consume learning content regardless of source or access device, while ensuring that employees understand how to use a system with confidence and competence. What you've seen was just one example of how Vimago's capabilities were tailored to a specific situation to address specific needs. To see how Vimago might be able to help your company, contact Acima today.